Now, if these headlines don't say it all, I don't know what does. Daddy coin, daddy coin, daddy coin. Everybody talking about daddy coin because, of course, Andrew Tate went out there and he burnt $150 million worth of daddy coin. And you can check his Twitter account out if you guys want to see him dancing around with his brother, all of that good stuff. But guys, meme coins are making a ridiculous comeback right now. The amount of volume flowing into these Solana-based meme coins is insane. And you've got a lot of headlines promoting this. You've got Andrew Tate promising to pump crypto meme coin daddy to $1 billion plus. Daddy passing mother. All right, we got daddy token, huge insider activity. And it's probably true. Anytime you pump something up to a $300, $400 million market cap in days, there's a lot of insiders that are going to be taking advantage of that move. Early buyers move into $45 million plus profit levels. Andrew Tate promoted daddy coin, flipped mother, and burns $150 million worth. Guys, meme coins right now are getting the attention. And I believe as this bull market continues on, and as we kind of fade away from the influencer tokens like daddy token here, mother token, and so on, people are going to flock back to the meme coins that they know and love. Play Doge is going to be one of them. We're going to be talking about Play Doge in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we got Play Doge on the screen. Now, these guys are doing an excellent job, already raising over $4.2 million in their pre-sale here. They've got 14 hours and 51 minutes left until the next price increase, or of course, if they raise another $400,000, the price is going to increase prior to that. The current price is 0.0507. 5.07 cents per Play Doge. And if you're interested in buying, not 50, 5 Ethereum, you're going to be walking away with 3.3 million Play Doge. You'd rather buy with USDT, buy it with USDT, or most importantly, buy it on the Binance Smart Chain. If you guys want to grab 10 BNB worth, you're going to be walking away with 1.1 million Play Doge. But it's important to buy with BNB because you can stake your Play Doge for 86% annualized rewards if you buy with BNB. And 86% on an annualized basis is excellent, guys. If you're making, I don't know where you're making 86% on an annualized basis to not worry about trading anywhere else. So definitely think about Play Doge, definitely think about staking, but what is it? It's a play-to-earn Doge companion game, a Tamagotchi-style virtual pet. Now check this out. These graphics are absolutely incredible here. You're going to be able to pet, walk, feed, entertain, let your dog sleep, all of that good stuff. And you're going to be able to earn Play Doge while you do that. Guys, you know, you go to the bathroom, you play your game. You need a break for a minute, you play your game. And you're earning Play tokens as you play. It literally doesn't get any better than that. Oh wait, yes it does. It's not just a Tamagotchi. These guys have retro-style arcade games that you're going to be able to get your hands on, including Space Invaders. I know a lot of you guys are going to have fun with this. And you're going to be able to earn Play Doge by doing this as well. Now, these games are being developed after the pre-sale, and the betas are going to be taking place in the Phase 3 of the roadmap. And then, of course, those games are going to be launched in Phase 4 of their roadmap here. Now, if you're wondering where the token allocations are going to, 50% goes to the pre-sale, 6.5% to community rewards, 11.5% to liquidity, 10% to marketing, 10% to project funds, and 12% to staking rewards. Guys, it is awesome to see what these guys are building. And I think the most important part is the focus on the absolute correct demographic. You don't raise $4 million in 2 weeks without focusing on the right demographic. And these guys are doing that. We're going to talk a little bit more about that in a second. But if you're interested in buying and you still don't know how, simply walk through their 4-steps tutorial right here to be able to buy and claim your Play Doge. Now, speaking of claiming, right, where are you going to claim? It's going to be claiming on the BNB blockchain or the Binance Smart Chain, and you're going to be able to claim once the pre-sale concludes. So let's scroll back up to the top of the page here and see when Play Doge is going to conclude. They're slated for 40 different price increases, which means that if you get in now, you are going to have a very nice pad on your price upon launch day. You are going to be making money when Play Doge launches if you get in now and lock in 40, essentially it's just under now because we've already seen several price increases. Lock in nearly 40 price increases until the launch of Play Doge. And when it launches on the BNB blockchain, please be aware that you're going to need some Binance Smart Chain in your wallet so that, of course, you can pay for the gas fees. Now, the good news is the Binance Smart Chain is very cheap compared to Ethereum. So you're not going to need a ton of money. It's not going to cost a lot to go out there and trade your Play Doge and have some fun with it there. You're simply going to be able to get in and very, very cheaply claim and trade your Play Doge. Now, if you're here for the long term, you're here for this awesome app that they are building. Guys, the 90s nostalgia really resonates with the cryptocurrency demographic because it's a lot of people our age going out there buying and investing into the crypto market. So, of course, every one of these little games that we see is going to hit home with us, and that's why these guys are out and able to go and raise $4 million+ in a 2-week period. They're targeting the correct demographic. There is huge demand for Play Doge. There's huge potential for Play Doge and a lot of money to be made. I have bought into Play Doge. I'm very excited about it. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are excited about it. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.